Hello, welcome back to Sami FX Forex Academy. Sami FX Academy. In this section, we'll be giving you a walkthrough of the MetaTrader 4, the app that you're using to execute your trades. You can get it on Play Store. Just type MetaTrader 4. Type MetaTrader 4, you'll be able to get it. This is the app. MetaTrader. Let me show you from my home screen. This is the app. So if you go to Play Store, yeah. Sorry, I just prefer using my phone to do this tutorial. I feel like it's flexible and easier for me. My laptop will if I use my laptop, it will look like I want to be very serious. To make me get too serious. So as I'm doing it from my phone, I feel like it's easier for me. So that's, you just type in MetaTrader 4. You have over 10 million downloads. So that's the app that we'll be using to execute our trades, MT4. So I'm just going to walk you through MetaTrader 4 so that you understand how to take trades from MetaTrader 4. Let me use this is my FTMO. Okay, I disabled it off my account, so for the purpose of this course, this was one of my I'm trying to use the other account. I can't get into that account. Okay, it's okay. Let's just use, I told you guys that I'm going to be using this training will be on demo. This one was one of my accounts before, and that's my broker who goes away for this particular account. I really don't want to start showing money. It's not like I've made so much though, but I feel like if you start seeing so much money now, you get so confused and all that. You start thinking of too much money. So let me just use for the purpose of this illustration, let's use this one. Okay, yeah, demo. So this is the interface of the MT4. The most important part is this chart here. From this plus sign, you can add whatever commodity you want to trade. You can add them from this folder, so it will be loaded onto this your home screen. Then you can arrange your pair how you want them to be, or ideally is really nice to be organized. Trading is an art. ART is an art. You just have to be organized. Your thought process has to be clean. So for instance, if you're going to be trading pair, don't trade so many pair. But for the purpose of this one, let's just assume that you want to even trade this much pair. At least if you want to you have to be organized. See what I did here. GBP, all the GBP, they are together. All the ones that has to do with USD, like that. You just keep your pairs together so that it's easier for you to access and work on them. Okay, let's just use this GBP AUD. AUD stands for Australian dollar. Now this is the chart that you'll be seeing. If I pinch the screen and move it in, it zooms the chart in. If I pinch it and expand my thumb, it expands the chart properly. If I tap the screen, I can see different time frames. Now this is the 1 minute time frame. What does it mean? What it means is each of this candle was formed. This is what they call candle, was formed in 1 minute. So if I move to 1 hour, each of this candle was formed in 1 hour. I'll explain everything about candlestick when we start our price action trading proper, but for now I'm just doing a walkthrough on of MT4. Okay, now this is the date. Let me use the crosshair as you can see, when I move my crosshair, if you look down here on this x-axis, just like graph in school, when you were in school, this is the x-axis where you have the dates. So it's like they plot, it's not like they plotted when you know, if you recall from school days, it's like plotting a graph. So each point here, each point where these crosshairs meet, the crosshairs are the vertical line and the horizontal line. Where they intersect is, you can get the information of what price is at that point and the exact time it happened. So that's just it. Now for those that like so much, people that use a lot of indicator, you can add your indicators from here. But for price action, we don't really use so much indicators, and I feel like that's the way I trade. Some people might use indicators and still trade very well, so it's just a matter of preference. Okay, it's not like anyone is better than each, but I believe price action is price action gives you more clarity. So that's just it. Now here, where let me use my pointer. I like this pointer. Here you have all this area, you have the price quotes. This will show you what price is doing at the particular time you're checking it. So for instance, at this particular point, price is around 1.7571. The interpretation is you need to exchange 1.7571 GBP pounds, that is Great British Pound, for one Australian dollars. That's the explanation. So let's just go out of this. Now this is where you just look at your data and know what you're doing. So most people trade on the 1 hour time frame, but I'll explain all these things later. But let's just get a walkthrough. If you want to draw things, you can see the lines, you can draw lines, you can draw channels, you can draw Fibonacci. Those are the, later I'll explain all these things when we start the price action trading. So that's just it. Now to execute a trade, you click on this plus sign. They have market execution, they have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. You can research what all these things mean, or you can ask questions in the group. I will explain. But the major one that we'll be using is the market execution, where you're buying. Once you click buy, your trade order is executed immediately at the point prices, like 1.7797. So if you buy this market now, if you click buy, what this means is that if you click buy, what this means is that the trade will be executed exactly at this market price. So that's just it. The market buy limits, for buy limit and buy stop, I will still explain it when we start taking trades. I think that should be session 4. Then here is for, this is where you input your stop loss. All these ones will be explained in our trading session proper, when we start explaining our strategy and all that. So this is where you input your lot size. You can make your lot size to be anything from here. So that's just it. If you have questions on, okay, let's look at this is where you see your balance, your equity, your free margin. Balance is the money you have, equity is your floating loss. Like you could have this 45,383 as your balance, but you have trades that are running. I'm making this video on a weekend, so the market is actually closed for now. So this one is the 45,383 on equity is what your price is at the moment. Maybe if you consider all your floating loss and profit, maybe if you had trades running, this is what will represent your actual situation with your account, this equity. So when you close all your trade, your equity becomes your balance. I don't know if you understand. When you don't have trades running, your equity and your balance will be the same. But when you have trades running, your equity will show your real-time balance, while your balance will be what you have in the background. The free margin, depending on how you open your lots and everything, your free margin is the permissible space you can use to trade, available account you can use for trading. So we'll have other stuff like news. Like I said, it's a weekend, so I don't think we'll have news. Then this is a summary. This box says a summary of, let me go to my pointer again. This box summarizes all your trade. This box here, I think that's all. Then chart, you can customize your chart from setting. Let me try and do that. Where do I? Okay, let's customize it from. Let's customize it from this menu here. I think this is setting charts. Okay, we have the bar charts, line charts, candle charts. All these ones are just, if you want to customize, like you want to change the color. Like me, I'm using a custom scheme, which all my everything I'm using, they're all black. But we'll have other ones. I think a lot of persons use this. So you see your price in a different way, so you can still modify it the way you want. Just still go back to that setting. Let's try this other one, black and white. These are like color schemes. I think they are color schemes, so you can change the way you want. The popular one that a lot of people use is the one where the bar up is usually green and the bar down is usually red. That's the one that a lot of people are used to. So let me just change it. And so bear candle, bear is like when the price is going down. That's a bear. When we start our price action, I will explain all these things so you understand bearish, bullish, and all that. Let's see, bull candle is usually green, so let's just set it at done. But this is really going to affect my settings. I really don't want to save this, but let's just do it sharp. So this is it. This is what it looks like. So you can just change it to whatever color you're comfortable with. So if you have any other question on, if you have further question on how to use MetaTrader or how to set it up, just let us know. We will explain it in the group, but this is just an overview so that now we can move to understanding the chart and price action, so you understand the basics of price action. Thank you and have a nice day. We're done for this session. Questions can be asked in the WhatsApp training group, so we'll attend to you. Well, what we are doing, we are not saying this is an all exhaustive, like we're not going to exhaust everything. Trading is vast, so we'll give you an overview, a rough overview of a particular session that we know that will be critical to your trading. So when you come to the group, you can ask direct question there, and we'll be able to do, maybe show you what you need in a more specific way. All right, see you guys.